Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa vegetable pulao. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water for at least 2 minutes. This removes any bitter saponin coating. Next, chop your chosen vegetables like carrots, peas, and green beans into small, bite-sized pieces. Also, finely mince about 1 inch of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 green chili for a flavorful base. Now, let's build the flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add whole spices such as 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, and a small cinnamon stick. Let them sizzle for about 30 seconds. Then, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent and lightly golden. Stir in the minced ginger, garlic, and green chilies, cooking for another minute until fragrant. It's time to combine everything. Add your chopped vegetables to the pot and sauté them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Next, add the rinsed quinoa, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, stirring well to combine. Pour in 1 3/4 cups of hot water or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 15 minutes. Almost done. Once the 15 minutes of simmering are complete, turn off the heat but keep the pot covered. Let the pulao rest undisturbed for another 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the quinoa to absorb any remaining moisture and become perfectly fluffy. Finally, gently fluff the quinoa with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro and serve your warm, flavorful quinoa vegetable pulao immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.